Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making a 5-inch no-sew fabric bow, and I have two pieces of fabric cut out for this purpose. This small fabric measures 3 inches by 2 inches and the bigger fabric measures 11 inches by 8 inches. To get started, I'll fold over the larger fabric, wrong side facing each other, along the 11 inches point in order to achieve a nice crease in the middle of the fabric. At this point, you might want to have it taken to the ironing board just so that you achieve that nice crease. After this, I'll fold over one end of the 11 inches fabric to overlap the crease mark by about 1/4 of an inch. I'll equally do same for the other end. At this point, you can trim off any rough edges. In order to have a stable hold on my fabric, I'll be using my hot glue to hold the loose ends together. Setting this aside, our little piece will be folded as shown. And of course, I'll be making use of my hot glue as well. I'll lightly spread the glue and fold over so that everything is properly held in place. And I'll do same to the larger piece. At this point, I'm going to repeat the same fold process, but this time around at the 8 inches point in order to get a fold at the middle. And then I'll just overlap this by 1/4 of an inch as well. And I'll do same for the other end. And not forgetting my hot glue. Now I'll be making the accordion fold by flipping in, flipping out, flipping in again, and flipping out. I'll take that again. Flip in, flip out, flip in, and flip out. And there you have it. Apply some glue in the middle of the bow at the front and press firmly. Just so that everything is in place. Makes life easy. And it's okay if you have little glue smudges. That's fine. We'll use a little piece to correct this carefully. So we're gonna turn over to the back and apply some glue as well. And using our little fabric piece, we fold over our bow, starting from the back as shown. And then we'd like to flip it all the way to the front and ending at the back at the same spot where we started. Before attaching any more glue or adding any more glue, it's best to trim off the excess fabric so that it's not spilling onto the front of the bow. And that's it, our bow is ready. You can make this in different sizes, probably a lot bigger, a lot smaller. It all depends on you and your preference. Like this is a 5-inch bow and this bigger one is a 6-inch bow. If my tutorial has been helpful, kindly give a thumbs up, like and subscribe. You can leave your comments and suggestions in the comment section also. Oh, and before I forget, you can also have like a beret pin or clip glue to the back of your bowl. Till the next tutorial, please stay safe and thank you for watching. Bye.